Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at PocketGuard, a budget tracking app designed to help you understand your spending, stay on top of bills, and find extra money in your monthly cash flow without overwhelming complexity. When you first open PocketGuard, one of the biggest things you'll notice is how straightforward and uncluttered the interface feels. Instead of a bunch of complicated charts or confusing menus, the home screen gives you a clear snapshot of what matters most: how much you have available to spend right now after accounting for bills, savings goals, and recurring expenses. You don't have to be a budgeting expert to make sense of it. The core idea behind PocketGuard is to help you overspend by showing your in my pocket amount, basically the money you actually have available after setting aside essentials and planned savings. Once you connect your bank accounts and cards, PocketGuard automatically tracks your income and spending in real time and categorizes transactions so you can see exactly where your money's going. Groceries, subscriptions, eating out, bills, everything is broken down so you can spot patterns without digging through statements. One of the features people really like is the automatic categorization and alerts. The app notifies you if a bill is coming up, if you're close to your spending limit, or if something unusual shows up in your transactions. This kind of watchdog behavior helps keep you on track without feeling like someone is micromanaging your choices. It also helps you set and track savings goals, whether you're building an emergency fund, saving for a trip, or just trying to put aside a bit more each month. The visual progress bars and goal tracking make it feel achievable instead of intimidating. Another plus is how fast and responsive the app is. Compared with some budget apps that lag or freeze when syncing data, PocketGuard generally updates quickly and gives you the latest information without a long wait. This makes checking your finances feel like a quick habit you can do anytime instead of a chore you put off. Of course, the app isn't perfect. The free version has limited features and sometimes prompts users to upgrade to access more advanced tools, like automatic categorization for certain accounts or deeper spending insights. Some users also wish for more customization in categories or reporting. It's solid for everyday tracking, but if you want extremely detailed financial analysis or multi-currency budgeting, you might find it a bit basic. Overall, though, PocketGuard hits a great balance between simplicity and power. It's especially useful if you want a reliable way to understand your real spending power, avoid surprises, and save more without getting bogged down in overly complex features. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what app you want reviewed next.